Hey guys, so today I'll be filming another mini haul, but this time I only have one package because I really couldn't wait to open this because I've been looking for this item for such a long time and I finally have it, so I decided not to film a collective haul but to do a individual unboxing clip. So I bought this, it's Jaemin's Superstar SM Lenticular, which was from their We Go Up / Go event. So I got this from a C seller, and she was selling, I think, Jaemin and renjun. Sorry if I pronounce his name really weirdly. I'm just used to saying it in like Mandarin, so it's really hard for me to switch between like more of an English pronunciation and the Mandarin one. But the seller was selling his and Nana's. I also saw someone else selling Mark, but they were all for really expensive prices. But I've actually found this photo card a few months back, but then the seller sold it before I was able to pay her, so I'm really glad that I found someone else selling him. My address and my phone number is on the box, so I'll be blurring that out. Okay, so I used a black marker and a sticky note to cover all my personal address, but it came in this little box. Oh. So the seller packed everything in this really cute Jaemin pouch, well, drawstring pouch, and I think it's absolutely adorable. I think this is him in his We Go Up outfit. Inside is everything. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, so this is a magnet lenticular. If you watched my photo card collection video, you will know that I already have Genos, and this is one of the, I think, second last Jaemin photo cards I was missing, so glad that I have him now. And then the seller gave me some freebies, so there's this Go Jaemin Polaroid, a film strip type of thing. I think it's really cute. And then a little badge. Oh wait, no, it's a mirror. So yeah, thank you for watching this really short unboxing video. I hope you have a nice day. Bye bye!